The National Coal Mining Museum for England is based at the Cap House Colliery in West Yorkshire. It allows the public to go into the mine shaft and experience life underground. Within the site is the Hope mine shaft, which contains the pumps that maintain the water levels in the surrounding area, ensuring that the museum mine shaft does not flood.
ECS was called to the mining museum in early 1997. The water had risen steeply in Hope shaft and made its way through to the mining museum, which had to be closed. We've got two 3,300 volt pumps in the shaft. They are controlled now via a depth probe, which gives us a signal to start the pumps on water level and a time. The water now is pumped out of the mine. The point of this cascade is to get some oxygen into the water and to drop the ochre out, this brown sludge. This first lagoon takes most of the ochre. It then passes into the second pond as a polishing pond before it finally runs down into now a newly created balance tank, 4 separate concrete settlement tanks, and then through the reed beds. Originally we was pumping every other day. We then got to pumping every day, and then we got pumping 12, 14, 16 hours a day. The more that we pumped, the more water came. We've gradually increased from the 550 volt pumps up to 3,300 volt due to the volume of water pumped. After extensive study, we put 4 satellite boreholes around the museum with data loggers in. This monitors the water level, and we can find the water levels at any given time for a quarter of an hour period up to the last 24 hours. We have 2 sampling points, one at the cascade, one at the final settlement point. We test for both pH and for suspended solids, iron. As the raw mine water comes out, it is roughly 30 to 40 parts per million of iron. Our consent limit going out of the other end is 3 parts per million.
ECS Engineering has managed and maintained the pumping and treatment equipment for more than 18 years, ensuring the Environment Agency's water quality standards are achieved.